Not the way to start out your morning. I'm at the tire shop. I got 2 flats. It's the 3rd day out here. So the first day, the pavement was getting done by the city. And the second day, well, it was raining so bad, and you know, we're booked up this whole weekend. We're actually booked up today, so we have to do the job today. I'm not wearing the glasses. I'm not wearing, it's a lot of mess. So we're just gonna start doing it. I'm not gonna be able to commentate a lot or talk in this one. We're just gonna knock this out. It's a lot of work. All right, I think this is the time where I hit a time lapse. We are totally soaked, but we're almost done. Been here for 2 hours, totally soaked, almost done. We got a lot of cool stuff. We got some bikes. They work. 3 bikes, all working. And a grill, works. Some weed eaters, don't work. All right, we're gonna keep on. We're almost done. We'll finish up. And that is gonna do it for us today. Holy cow. You're gonna see the truck, it is overloaded. We are totally soaked here. I would recommend that if it's not over $900, don't do a job like this. Let's go take a look at the truck. There it is, guys. That is the dumpster trailer right there. Green and fresh. Totally loaded down. So illegal, we should have done it. It's got a tarp. That tarp is actually their tarp. It was in the trash. So, kind of sucks. We forgot our tarp. We always forget something here. Always. All right, guys, that's gonna end it for me, man. I hope y'all liked the time lapse. Sorry I didn't talk much. It was a lot of work. Anyway, I ran out of juice on my other cameras and everything. It's been a mess. That's gonna do it for us today, man. Truck is loaded down. Trailer is there. Backyard. This job's been, 3 days in a row that we had to cancel it because of the rain. And I wasn't gonna do it because we're booked up tomorrow, Saturday. We are totally booked up. So we're gonna go dump this and finish the day. This is all we're gonna do today. It took us 3 hours to finish the job, but we got it done, so we're out of here. Oh, by the way, we got 3 bikes back there. We got a grill that we can donate. We got a few things. All right, we're out of here, man. Don't forget, over there to your right side to subscribe to the channel, guys. On the left side, check out my other videos. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm soaking wet. Bye-bye.